Hi, my name is Shannon Mitchell, and I'm the director of Autism Academy. And today we're going to talk a little bit about early education years. Here at the Autism Academy, we get a lot of parent phone calls when students are under the age of 5, not ready for kindergarten yet. And the thing that we let them know is, and encourage them to do, is to go to preschool, to join a developmental preschool, a co-op. Any type of early intervention before kindergarten really will give their student a head start. How to sit in a group, cooperative play, and how to take turns. Our students with autism really need to be taught those skills. They're not just going to pick them up through regular typical play in a classroom. All of these skills, when you really look at them and break them down, are really a part of those early skills that will take them and carry them through 12th grade and beyond. You really have to be able to work as a team. Work next to someone, wait your turn, raise your hand. Those school skills are really important in those early years within education. Kids within those early intervention years, those first formative years of education, really need hands-on learning. They need to touch things, they need to feel things, they need to manipulate items in order to really understand and grasp concepts. Early childhood education starts when kids are between 3 and 5 years old. Kindergarten is not what it was 20 or 30 years ago. There's no more nap time. And so we really need to help our children prepare for those formative years, K through 1st grade, when they are in a classroom. Our students with autism might learn just a little bit differently. They don't learn through incidental learning, just watching their peers. They really need a very structured environment, a very visual environment, to help support their growth in education. So when we're looking at a student in a classroom with autism, we really need to look at those first years, learning those school skills, sitting next to a student, participating in an activity. Those are really important for our kids to learn to help them be successful. When your child is ready for kindergarten, those early learning years, the Autism Academy is your best bet. We have and we work on school skills with our students. We have visual hands-on learning for them as well. Our low student-to-teacher ratio really helps in those first years give your child the best foot forward.